Hello friends. So most of the banking experience these days are facing problem while filling the SBI clerk form because they are not able to understand the OBC certificate clause and the non-creamy layer certificate clause. So in this video I am going to solve your both the queries. I am also a banking aspirant and I belong to OBC category and I have filled the form from other state since there is no vacancy in my state. So I am going to tell you what I did, but before starting I must tell you that all the views which I am going to share in this video are my personal. I am not an expert in this field. I shall tell you only the things which I have understood from the notification. So let's start. First of all, information about OBC certificate has been given at two places in the notification, on page number 2 and on page number 6. On page number 2, it says that OBC category candidates have to submit the OBC certificate on format prescribed by Government of India having non-creamy layer clause issued during the period of 1st April to the date of appointment. And on page number 6, the notification states that a declaration have to be submitted in the prescribed format by the candidates seeking reservation under the OBC category, and most of the students are confused about this declaration only. There are two dates, one on the last date of registration and the other 1st April to the date of appointment, and most of the students are confused about these two dates. So let me clarify what is the declaration and what does this last date of registration means. See, this is the declaration which I got from the last years, that is 2020's SBI pure biodata form. It is the same declaration which you will have to submit. You will have to submit this declaration after filling all the forms during DB. You will not have to do anything else. You will just have to fill this declaration form like you fill the COVID declaration form and submit it at the examination center while taking your pre and mains examination. It is as simple as that. You will just have to fill the details and submit it during DB. And further about OBC certificate and non-creamy layer certificate, even if you do not have these certificates as of now, you can get it prepared from 1st of April 2021 to the date of appointment. There is enough time, you can easily get it. But one thing you should keep in mind, that always get your non-creamy layer certificate prepared in central format only. If you have a state level NCL certificate, that is non-creamy layer certificate, that you may face problem at the time of DB because SBI is a central government job, so you may face problem. So it's better to get central level non-creamy layer certificate prepared so that you may not face any problem at the time of DB. So I think I have cleared all your doubts regarding the OBC and non-creamy layer certificate and the declaration which most of the students have been worrying about. Even if you do have any doubts, then please write down in the comment section below. I am always at your disposal. Thanks.